In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group in Outlook 365. We'll walk through how to do this in Outlook for Windows Classic, and then in Outlook on the web and the new Outlook for Windows. By the end, you'll be able to build a clean, reusable list of people you can email all at once. Let's start with Outlook for Windows. The classic experience. First, open Outlook and switch to People by clicking the People icon at the bottom of the navigation pane. This takes you to your Contacts area, which is where groups live. On the Home tab, select New Contact Group. You'll see a new window with a name box at the top. Give your group a clear, memorable name so it's easy to find later, like a team name or project name. Next, click Add Members. You'll see 3 choices. From Outlook Contacts lets you pick from people you've already saved to your personal contacts. From Address Book connects to your organization's global list, which is ideal for coworkers who might not be in your personal contacts yet. And New e-Mail Contact is handy when you want to add someone who isn't already saved. You can enter their display name and email address on the spot. After you choose where you are pulling names from, select the contacts you want. You can hold Control while clicking to choose multiple people at once. Then click OK to add them to the group. Once you've added everyone you need, click Save and Close. Your contact group is now part of your people list and ready to use whenever you compose a message. Now let's move to Outlook on the web and the new Outlook for Windows. Open Outlook on the web in your browser and select the People icon on the left navigation panel to switch to your contacts. At the top toolbar, choose New Contact List. If you don't see that right away, click the arrow next to New Contact and then select New Group. Give your list a name and add a brief description to remind yourself and others what the list is for. In the Add field, start typing names or email addresses. Outlook will suggest matches from your contacts and your organization's directory as you type. Add each person you want included, and when you are finished, click Create. Your contact list is now saved and available the next time you want to address a message to the whole group. That's it. Thanks for watching.